டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ஃபயர் பயனாளர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். நீங்கள் ஆல்ரெடி அப்லோட் பண்ண வீடியோஸ் பார்க்கறதுக்கான லிங்க் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் இருக்குது.
We are going to see about the visual reasoning second method, second type. Okay, here is the in actually TNPC they introduce a new syllabus, that is visual reasoning. Okay, it comes under the logical reasoning. Actually 10 to 15 questions it will be asked by TNPC. Okay, in group 1 and group 2. Now we are going to solve that problems using some technique. Okay, within a seconds we are going to solve this type of visual reasoning problem. We are going to solve. Okay, now I am going to solve those problem. I will show you how to solve the problem within a seconds. It's consume your time, no, in examination. Okay, now we are move on to the problem. Actually in this visual reasoning in my last video I teach you first type, that is mirror image. Okay, here we are going to see about the second type of visual reasoning, that is water image. Okay, this is a water image table. Actually this table some members are forgotten in exam tension, so I am going to tell some small technique to solve the problem water image. Okay, here is the question I am giving for water image. Okay, let's we going to see water image. This type is second type. Okay, in water image we are going to see some 3 types of questions. Here first question is I am giving family. Okay, I am giving a word family. Here the family we are going to know the water image for family. Okay, here also you use some small technique to solve the water image questions. Okay, if they ask water image questions, you use this same technique whatever words they give. Okay friends, now we are going to solve. Okay, first of all I will tell you a small technique for this family. Small technique for this family, that is water image. Okay, now we are going move on to the problems. First of all you use the small technique. That technique is opposite side. If you write, you first take one sheet, you write a word whatever they give. Here you assume that word family. Okay, you first write the word family in that sheet, white sheet. Okay, in examination they will give a rough sheet also for you, so you take one rough sheet. You first write whatever they give. Okay, here family, you write that word family in that white sheet. Then you turn that just you reverse the page. Okay, here don't turn the page, you just reverse the page. That is inversion of the page, opposite side of the page. Okay, that reverse the page, you will get a water image for family. Okay, here we use a small technique. Whenever you see the questions water image means whatever word they give, you just write that word in white sheet. Then you inverse that is reverse the page, you will get the water image for whatever word they give. Okay, here you write a family, you just inverse opposite side of the word. That is you turn, don't turn, just you reverse the page. You reverse the page, you will get a water image. Okay, shall we move on to the next model? Okay, if they give numbers in the same model, if they give numbers in the same model, what will do? Okay, now we are move on to that question. Here they use numbers within the words also. Okay, this is a second questions we are going to see. Here VAYU8436, they include the numbers. So you use the same technique whatever did in first question, you use the same technique. Use the same technique, that is you take one rough sheet, you just write this word whatever they give, not only for this word, whatever words they give, whatever numbers they give, you write on that sheet. Okay, you just write in white sheet, that is they give for rough sheet, no, you write this word, just you reverse the page, you will get a answer, that is inversion. They say inversion, opposite side of the word, you just reverse the page, you will get the answer. Okay, for this for first question the answer is D. Okay, for first question answer is, that is family. For family we will get the answer is D. Okay, D is the answer for first question. This D is the answer for the first question. Okay, next for series, for letters. Okay, for letters they give the numbers. Here for first question D is the answer. Here D is the answer. For second question here D is the answer. Okay, D is the answer. For second question they use a technique number, no, they that for number is A is the answer. For second question A is the answer. Okay, A is the answer for this question. This is the answer for this question. A is the answer for this question. Okay, now we are move on to the third type, that is third model for this question, water mirror image. Okay, next we are move on to the third question. If they give image, what can we do? Same thing you have to do. Okay, same technique you have to work for this question also. Just you draw this figure, whatever image they give, you first draw this image in white sheet, that is in examination they give a rough sheet, no, just draw this figure, just for this water image you have to do a small technique, that is reverse the page, you will get the answer, that is inversion of the page, opposite side, that is inversion of the page, just reverse the page, you will get a correct figure, that is answer for this figure, you will get a water image answer. Okay, this is my small technique I used for all the questions. Okay, now I am giving 3 questions for you to solve using these trees. Okay, same method you have to just try to solve 3 questions what I given in for the in water image. Okay, here I am giving a quarrel. For this you have to find water image. What I told you, know some small technique, you use that small technique, you try to solve this problem. Okay, for word. Next question also I give next model, that is numbers. Okay, and third questions I give image also. Okay, please you just try using that small technique what I have to told you, know for that questions. So you have to try that small technique for these 3 questions. You just try for examination. Okay, all the best students. You just try this small technique to solve these 3 questions. Okay, thank you.
இதே மாதிரி இன்னும் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் பார்க்கணுன்னா கீழே இருக்கிற சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டன் அப்புறம் பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிடுங்க. எங்களுடைய வாட்ஸ்அப் குரூப்ல ஜாயின் பண்றதுக்கான லிங்க் கீழே டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ல கொடுத்துருக்கோம். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ.